In short, narcissists dislike people who threaten their sense of superiority or challenge their need for admiration and control. In this video, we're revealing the 5 people that narcissists can't stand and what we all can learn from them. They often have a strong aversion to the following people. Person 1. People who hold them accountable. Narcissists go to great lengths to avoid accountability or any form of being called out for their actions. Narcissists are forever the victim, and when it comes to accountability, they will do anything to villainize those who are holding them to account. The key learning is that when we're holding a narcissist accountable, be prepared for a wild ride. They will deny that there is a problem, diminish that problem, counter-accuse you, lie, enlist others to attack you, and always play the victim. Just be ready for it. Knowledge is power. Once a supervisor understood that he was dealing with an employee who was a narcissist, he got ready for all the diversions, attacks, and BS that he suspected would come. And it did. But because he understood narcissists, he eventually got the narcissist fired and protections in place to keep people safe. Person number 2, those who set boundaries. I wasn't very good at boundaries, and it showed. Narcissists and manipulators seemed to sniff out my weak boundaries and had a field day testing them. But I grew up. I realized that I was worthy of protecting, and started to get good at boundaries, those that really mattered to me. And the better I got at boundaries, the angrier the narcissists and manipulators became. At first, I was surprised until I started to understand how narcissists react to losing control of someone. It gets ugly. Again, knowledge is power. Rather than take their ugliness personally, I realized it's just how narcissists are around those with strong boundaries. Anticipating their reaction helped me let go of any reaction and relax into my power. So will you when you heal the deeper issues that keep you from setting strong boundaries and learn to manage those boundaries with those who will test you. Person number 3, independent individuals. Oh, the independent people who can take you or leave you. Why do they tick off narcissists? Narcissists seek people who are dependent on them. They live for control over others. As one narcissist shared with me in an unusually candid moment, I can't be in a relationship where I'm not in total control. Yikes. That's where independent people frustrate narcissists. They're comfortable with or without other people, and they tend to stay neutral when attacked by a narcissist. Oh, this gets under the skin of narcissists. The lesson for all of us is to learn to be more independent and emotionally intelligent. Dependence can get us into trouble with those who need to take advantage of us. So heal your neediness and relax into your authentic power, loved ones. That brings us to the 4th kind of person hated by narcissists. Person number 4, strong personalities. I was in a relationship with a narcissist and was surprised at how she reacted to strong personalities. Why does my partner feel threatened by my confident, visionary, strong business partner? My narcissistic partner had to find fault with him to bring him down to a level where she could feel less inferior to the strong personality individual. It was weird until I eventually learned about narcissism and understood why a narcissist must attack a strong person so they can feel better about themselves. Of course, the lesson for us all is to find our authentic strength and not worry about the dog barking at your car. Let them express their frustration in ways that don't impact you as much as possible. And that brings us to the 5th and final person that gets under the skin of narcissists. Person number 5, the harsh critic. Narcissists themselves are vicious critics. So when they encounter another one just like them, it sends them into a tailspin. How dare they criticize me? And oh, the lengths the narcissist will go to shut down critics. Reminding the narcissist that they too are harsh critics will only make them angrier. The lesson to learn here is twofold. First, sit back and watch the narcissists get their underwear in a knot as they take their own medicine. Call it karma or the universe teaching them something. Just don't get involved. The second lesson is to hold up a mirror and ask, you hate criticism, yet you dish it out. Is it time to pivot to more productive behaviors? This ended a relationship with a narcissist, but at least they understood why the relationship needed to end. Be careful if you do this. Narcissist rage is nothing to underestimate. If you hold up a mirror to their outrageous and unproductive behavior, always anticipate the rage that might be directed at you. Okay, friends, stay safe out there. Thanks for joining us today at the Change Capability Institute.